days of working, of sweating it out. This is the time to celebrate and enjoy. Every year, if you have observed, for those who have stayed with us for more than 10 years, 20 years, every year we have a different theme. So this year I think is the grandest. And I hope majority Gen Z na. So we expect that you will really perform later. Looking ahead, after one long year of trials, sacrifices, of missed lunch, delayed meals, no time to go to the bathroom, especially sa cashier, sa mga OPD services, NSD. You have contributed to being part in the existence of Mapalad Doctors Hospital. We'd like to thank the department heads for shepherding your staff, for training them to be the next leaders of the hospital, for preparing them for brighter future and opportunities. We also thank our doctors. We also thank them for trusting our services and continuing the act of healing and unconditional service towards our patients. Enjoy, I know. No? Will we enjoy? So despite the warm, the heat, lalamig tayo mamaya dahil mag-perform per group. So you are going to surprise us this time. So we will also give some surprises in return. So just stay put. Enjoy the rest of the program, and I hope years ahead, when you look back, it will put a smile in your face kasi you've been a part of Mapalad Doctors Hospital family. Thank you, and let's enjoy.
Department heads, so experience itong ating Christmas party. Salamat from lumaki na yung family natin. Dami nyo na, mga anak namin. So, some of you matagal na. Sana you can match the dedication, no? Hindi kami iniwan. Camp hell or high water. So, sa mga nanalo sa production number, I know nag-effort talaga. Okay, salamat Kuya Tayunan, and we're wishing you the best of the Yuletide season. Okay? Makakaraos tayo. Be thankful ang binigay sa atin ng Diyos. Okay? Pagdamutan natin, tayo next year, better. No? Ganyan po ito. God is very, bago mo pa hingin, bibigyan niya. Bago ka pa magsalita, alam mo. Ulit ako sa production ng Perfect Effort talaga. So, my congratulations and felicitations to you. Thank you very much for this. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. No? Hula ko, nag-enjoy kayo. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.